Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the 350 V2 by Adidas and Ye, formerly known as Kanye West, in an MX Oats colorway. These released in late October 2021 here in the UK for the retail price of £180. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from N, shout out to them for the raffle win, and it comes with your classic brown Yeezy slide out box with boost on the side and 350 at the top. The style code is GW3773. Open up the box, comes with shoes in brown Yeezy wrapping paper. No accessories come with this pair, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the 350 V2 MX Oats, which I assume stands for mixed oats. Similar to the more recent 350s, it's designed with a Primeknit Upper with a translucent lateral stripe. This time it boasts a swirly multicolored pattern that consists of navy, orange and golden yellow. One thing that stood out for me is the blue knit has a glossy finish, which really pops against the overall light beige oatmeal upper, insoles and milky translucent mid and outsoles. With Yeezys I recommend going up half a size like I did in this video for a more comfortable fit. As for the colorway, it's definitely a mixed bag, pun intended. It looks better in hand and I can see these being a great summer statement shoe, however it's not a 2 pairs minimum for me. But I wanted to quickly get this in for you guys, so let me know if you managed to pick these up. Did you miss out or did you pass? That's it, thanks for watching. Please comment thick like a bowl of oats to show me you watch this video to the end. And it's Sam on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.